Hi everyone, I'm Zhao. Today, let's make steamed carrot shreds. It looks great and tastes even better. Slice them into strips, or a grater works perfectly too. Mix with a little oil first, then add flour in small batches. Like this. Wait for the water to boil. Spread evenly and steam for 5 minutes. Carrots are high in fiber and very filling, low in calories compared to rice or bread. If you're counting calories, swap your carbs for this. Eat big, feel light. Why not give it a try? Done. Let's take them out. Fluff them up while hot. Let the steam carry away the moisture. This makes the carrot shreds firm and chewy. Just salt, chicken powder, minced garlic, and a drop of sesame oil. This dish is a simple romance from northern China. It satisfies like a main dish but tastes sweet like a veggie. It's truly amazing. Trust me, give it a go. You'll love it.